welcome back to another sunny day in Melbourne. School's here, but it's her first day stepping out with me, and we are obviously heading to Lune. So we're just going to catch
like a ritual now.
the Ghanta ritual. Took 2 hours to step out of the house. It's practically 12 o'clock now, but here we go. As you can see, it is very cold. Just look at her. Itni thand. Then look at me.
I hope to have something in the seasonal menu, and I hope it is not over by now because we are reaching very, very late. Yeah, it's a weekday, but still everybody loves Lune. I'm hoping to have something with peaches because last time when I was here in 2023, they had something with peaches and I loved it. And to this day, I miss that croissant very, very much.
For me, I think my track record has been great. I think that this time around, at least 1 or 2 from the season. If not, their plain and their pain au chocolat and their almond is so freaking good that I'll have that any day over anything.
I love their, so they have a fixed menu as well. Usme mera favorite is the lemon curd. I absolutely love lemon curd. Yeah, I like it better than their almond croissant.
I don't see a queue, so गांव सा एरिया है. हाँ मतलब ओल्ड वाला एरिया है ना ये. ओल्ड सिटी, छोटे छोटे घर. Very hungry. Caffeine addiction has turned into a headache, and I know it's the same for her. So hopefully next 10 minutes and we'll have our delicious hot buttery croissant. Here we go. But I see some fresh stuff.
Smell of croissant.
The smell. Come on. I see some new ones. Hello, side karna thoda sa. Cheese and Vegemite try. Why I love coming here is because of the open space this one has. Really need it. ठंडी है बस ड्रिंकेबल टेम्परेचर.
इसका और बोलना चाहिए था ना.
Layers.
Reaction time. ले लें एक और. Is it
I
worth?
think we should get 1 pack.
Oh my god, one more? Is it that good?
Yes, yeah.
ठीक है.
It's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
Surprisingly, it's just
It's
perfect.
perfect. He's saying कि nothing beats pain au chocolat. मेरे हिसाब से nothing beats almond, but वो खत्म हो गया है and I'm trying pain au chocolat for the first time.
Yep. Nothing beats pain au chocolat. It's buttery, it's chocolatey, it's flaky, no pish posh, just perfect.
It's been divided. इसका तो हमने थोड़ा ऐसी तैसी कर दी, but this was way too good. Still approve.
वो बकचोदी, butter and मैदा.
Actually, traditional croissant but with a hint of chocolate. Really made for sweet tooth people like us. But याद है हमने पेरिस में खाया था ना वो, जिसमें इतनी thick
एक
layer
चॉकलेट
of
डाल दी थी उसमें.
bar of chocolate जैसे इसमें choco
I
chip
loved
में
it. I loved it.
It was too way too good. अगर आमंड आ गया जब तक हम यहाँ बैठे हैं क्या हम ले लेंगे क्या?
नहीं, हमारा दिमाग खराब नहीं है, हम फिर आ जाएंगे.
This girl and her husband says the same shit, but हम फिर महीनों में आते हैं. I was here with her husband and सब कुछ sold out हो गया था. We were literally at the same time 12:30 on a Sunday, so it was very crowded. We were only able to grab, I think we got, I don't remember what we got. I did somewhere here. Whatever. So while we were getting up, the chai Cruffin one got back on the counter, and I was like, let's buy it. And he was like, no, we're not crazy. We'll have it next time when we're here. See, it's out of the menu. Thank God I bought it.
The chai coffee, you did not like it.
I did not like it as a separate thing, but I had to taste it. I had to make an opinion, right? It was chai Cruffin.
Best.
My best croissant is a very close fight between coconut pandan and this rose pistachio. But I really like this also. But I love almond. It's my all-time favorite. थोड़ा सा ओवर हो जाता है वो, बट हम हमेशा हाफ खाते हैं शेयर करके, so इसलिए मुझे सही लगता है. If I had to pick, let's rank. Coconut pandan, then almond, then rose pistachio. And मैंने rose pistachio के साथ एक और खाया था, something coconut cruffin. नहीं, coconut cruffin or something. It was in the shape of a cupcake. वो भी बहुत अच्छा था, but it was just coconut flavor, nothing else. So if you're not a fan of coconut pandan, मुझे पता ही नहीं था पैंडान इज एक्चुअली वेनिला. मुझे अभी मास्टर शेफ में पता चला जब एक सारा को मिला था. माई फ्लेवर प्रोफाइल्स एट द मोमेंट आर कोकोनट एंड वेनिला. सो दैट वाज योर टर्न.
My favorite croissant ever. So one croissant we had in Paris, that was a pain au chocolat.
वो तो हम यहाँ की बात कर रहे हैं. डोंट चीट.
अच्छा, Australia only.
लियोन ऑनली.
Oh, Lyon only. It's a clear win for it. Has been peach croissant. Like I said, it was a seasonal in 2023. It has never returned. So yeah, it was pretty special. That's my number one
It has
for
never
sure.
returned, I'm sure.
Yeah, I don't think it has returned. क्योंकि ये भी नए नए फ्लेवर प्रोफाइल्स ट्राई करते हैं ना. Out of context, in Milan 2019, I had a similar croissant. हमारे जो ज़ारा था,
Peach वाला.
peach
Maybe you love peach.
and apricot it was. That guy gave it to me for 4 euros, जो कि उस टाइम पे मुझे लगता था 4 euro का croissant खा रही हूँ मैं, but it was so big and stuffed well, and that guy literally said you will not regret spending this money. Literally उसने मुझे ये बोला था. I told him is it क्योंकि यूरोप में croissants are like 1 euro 2 euro.
You told me about it.
हाँ, and that one was like
Apartment के पीछे वाला.
apartment के पीछे वाला, and that one was like 4 euros in 2019, which was a big thing, but absolutely worth it. And between that croissant and Lyon ka peach croissant, that croissant.
Because he told you, he created a memory for you. He made it special that you will never forget it.
हाँ, maybe, but close. Both of them were equally tasty, equally flaky. Love peach and apricot flavor profile.
गाइस ये कैब से लेके जा रही है, जबकि मेरे को यूनी जाना था, विच इज़ लिटरली हाफ वे, बट शी वांट्स अस टू टेक अ कैब बिकॉज शी हैज़ अ हेडेक.
Actually, I'm fine right now.
तो फिर चल लेना ये सिटी.
मेरा पैसे कट गए.
बाय लियोन, आई मिस यू. Can't wait to come back. I think I'm obsessed. Maybe I am. Sad face. Sad क्या? चुप कर रहा. I was supposed to go to uni to go and work on my assignment, but this girl, she wanted to take a cab home. Where's my mic? And now we're home, so I'm just going to quickly go up, maybe relax for half an hour, and then head back out. Because some people have work to do, unlike this unemployed gal over here. Yeah, I have 2 assignments due within the next 7 days. With that, our trip to Lyon is over and this short vlog is over. Let's go. Cuties. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go. Ooh.